In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sections in Asana tasks to organize your subtasks. Asana is a powerful project management tool that helps teams collaborate and manage their work. And one way to enhance your workflow is by using sections to organize subtasks within a task. This method is particularly useful for breaking down complex tasks into more manageable parts. First, let's start by opening the Asana task where you want to organize your subtasks. Navigating to the correct task in your project is essential for maintaining order and ensuring that all your efforts are correctly allocated. Once you have the task open, click on Add Subtask. This is where you'll begin to build the structure under your main task. Adding subtasks allows you to break down the broader task into smaller, actionable steps that are easier to tackle. Now let's move on to creating sections within your subtasks, which is a simple yet effective way to bring a layer of organization. To create a section, add a subtask with a name followed by a colon or dash. For instance, you might type Phase 1 or Planning. Asana will then visually distinguish the subtask from others, effectively marking it as a section header under which you can group related subtasks. This visual cue acts as a divider among different phases or categories within your main task. If you have other phases like execution or review, you'd repeat the process, ensuring each phase has its own distinct section within your task. This method is especially helpful for projects that span multiple areas or require multiple phases of activity. It's simple and doesn't require any additional tools or software, making it accessible to everyone. However, it is important to note that the grouping you create is primarily visual, which means it doesn't facilitate any automatic sorting or categorization within Asana. You'll be manually managing how subtasks are organized under each section, so keep this in mind as you plan out your workflow. Despite this limitation, the pros of using this method include its simplicity and the fact that no extra tools are needed to implement it. It's a straightforward way to add organization to your tasks, and often simplicity can lead to effective task management. So go ahead and start organizing your tasks in Asana with these easy steps to help streamline your projects and improve your workflow. Whether you're planning a new initiative or managing ongoing tasks, having well-organized subtasks can make a significant difference in your productivity and clarity. That wraps up our tutorial on creating sections within Asana tasks to organize your subtasks. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments below if you need further assistance.